Okay, guys, so it has come to my attention that you people out there are giving this virus way too much credit for people's stupidity. Now, y'all blame the virus for people in the grocery store cough, farting, and sneezing. Seriously? Have you forgotten the mouthwash suckers who and then put it back on the shelf? Or maybe you've forgotten the ice cream lickers. Let's not forget the Tide Pod lickers. Come on, people. Y'all are giving this virus way too much credit for people being stupid. People were stupid long before this virus came along. Now, the virus may cause illness. The virus may cause death. The virus may cause many things. But don't accredit it to people's stupidity. Just saying, people were stupid long before Corona. Now, I do understand that Corona and crazy sound alike. I get that. You could be Corona crazy, I guess. But I'm just saying, people were stupid long before the virus. So, let's give credit where credit is due. Okay? Corona does not make you cough, sneeze, and fart all at the same time. That is a talent, not a virus. Some of us have worked years on perfecting the cough, fart, sneeze. Just saying. And look, at my age, when you're in the grocery store and these young people are very much rude. So you want them to move out your way. They move. They look at you like you done something wrong and they move. But, they move. Nowadays, you can't do that. And I understand that. I understand you can't cough nowadays because Corona, crazy. Just saying. But, just because somebody cough, fart, sneeze, let's all just calm our tits, people. It doesn't mean they're Corona-ridden. Just saying. Maybe the Tide Pod is finally starting to get to some people. Maybe they sucked one too many. I don't know. But I'm just saying. When you're in the grocery store, keep your distance. Seriously, keep your distance from me. Because I will cough, sneeze, fart on you. If you get in my space, it's not Corona, it's crazy. Because I will cough, sneeze, fart on you because I've been perfecting this for years. I've been working on perfecting this for years because I'm so tired of rude-ass people that will come up and hit you with their grocery cart as if you are doing something wrong by standing in line waiting your turn at the cash register. And their idea of moving the line right along is hitting you with their cart. Okay, wait, what? That's not Corona. That's crazy. And people been doing this for years. Fester. Hold that thought. No, you're not going out right now. Okay. My cat, I think he has crazy sometimes. But anyway, seriously, why would you hit somebody with your cart? As if that's going to make the people in front of you move faster so that you could get your butt up there and get out. We all in a hurry. And I haven't met anybody in years who is not in a hurry to get to where they're going or get done what they're doing. So now that you have nowhere to go, You're still in a hurry because you want to get back to your house that you was dying to leave because you was tired of being quarantined. All I'm saying is, stay your 6 feet from me. Recognize this face. Stay your 6 feet from me because I'm not infected, but I am talented. And I will cough, sneeze, fart at your ass. Have a good one.